Hi, everybody. I'm going to attempt to use Screencastify to teach. This is just a crazy time, and I wish you all the best during this. I guess the main thing I want to say is we're going to make it. I'm going to be able to teach you these things. You're going to be able to learn them. This is a strange time for all of us, but we're going to make it through. And quite honestly, I'm really glad I have this to do because I'm at home with my two kids who are 10 and 8, and they daily remind me why I don't want to be a elementary school teacher. So the point of the screencast today is I want to show you an example of an essay for my class that a previous student wrote um, that is that incorporates outside research. So this requirement by LCC is that you learn how to research using databases, and you can learn how to put them in your essays. Like most things, this is totally opposite of what you learn in high school. In high school, you got a topic and you went out and researched about it, and then you collected all that information. You probably poorly rephrased it and then gave it to your instructor. Research at the college level is supplemental. That means the research supplements what you already thought and what you already think. That's why we're adding research to this after having already started writing essay 2. This essay that I'm showing you right here that's on my screencast is of a student from a couple years ago who wrote about buying a house with his brother. So his expository essay is exposing the advantages of buying a house with a sibling. That's his topic. And I just want to show you as an introduction to what I'm talking about, how to add research. You add research to an essay by paragraph. So as you're thinking about each idea within a topic, you think about how can I support that idea? It's the same thinking that already exists. Just now you're thinking, what kind of outside information can be useful? So let's look in specifically. This paragraph that he's got right here is what are the one advantage of buying a house with a sibling is it saves money. And then he shares from the Statistical Abstract of the United States the average cost of own housing in the Northeast. And he gives us that number. That is not a commonly known fact. That is something that is not well known. And he found it using the Statistical Abstract. And because he used the Statistical Abstract, we have a tendency to believe him more. We remember, writing is about getting people to feel, know, and believe what you feel, know, and believe about a topic. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Another example of him using research is already highlighted right here. He says, when first moving into a new home, everything seems perfect. Over time, elaborate designs of the current structure unfold, often with hope of turning a first home into either an investment or a forever home. According to blah, blah, household size can be an important factor when remodeling a home. Okay, so now we're getting some research from the Journal of Sociology that connects to what he's talking about, that helps us understand his point. And then his last bit of information, he got something from the National Journal. So right here, indicated in the National Journal, homeowners are 6% more likely to aid in solving local issues. So those 3 places, he dropped these little kernels of research, and that's all we're talking about. We're talking about just adding in little research in little places that help support your essay. All of those are then appear on his Works Cited page, which is very well done. This is exactly what I'm talking about in terms of adding research, and I'll have more videos and more things to support this. LCC has a 2-hour tutorial about how to research databases that I want everybody to walk through.